The Battle of Marawi, also known as the Marawi Siege, is a 5-month-long armed conflict that occurred in Marawi City, Philippines. The battle is between the Philippine government security forces up against the Islamic states in the Philippines. This includes the Maute and Abu Sayyaf groups. The conflict lasted from May 23, 2017 up to October 23 of the same year. The siege began with the attempted capture of a militant group leader affiliated with the Islamic States named Isnilon Hapilon. This event sparked a violent clash between the two militant groups. During the siege, approximately 12,000 members of the armed forces of the Philippines are deployed against the 900 to 1,000 combat militants from the Abu Sayyaf, Maute group, foreign and local fighters aligned with the Islamic States. This battle became one of the longest urban conflicts in the modern history of the Philippines,